Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can design a logo on Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Canva. So after opening the Canva, simply we have to search for the logo here. So I'm going to write the logo design. So let's press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see, you will get a lot of logo designs here. Now simply we have to choose that which type of logo you want. For example, I'm going to search for the podcast logo. So we have to write that. And as you can see, I'm going to write the podcast logo here. And after that, you will get a lot of designs related to the podcast logo. For example, I'm going to choose this one here. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you will get the related suggestions as well. So you have to choose, if you want to choose any of them, you can also do that. So let's, we are going to choose this one. Or if you want to choose this one, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on this. And we have to click on the customize this template. And after clicking on this, as you can see, we will be redirected to the editing mode. So if you want to change the color, you can also do that. For example, if you want to make it blue, whatever you want, these all colors are provided here. Now, if you want to change the color of this one, for example, I'm going to make it change. So let's choose this one. And as you can see, now if you want to change this, after doing all changes, simply we have to click on the share and then we have to click on the download and then simply we have to choose the format and we have to make these settings and then we have to click on the download. And after clicking on the download, our logo will be downloaded and will be ready to use. So in this way, you can design a logo on the Canva. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.